Let's make a blueberry smoothie. We're starting off with some frozen blueberries. Now we're going to add in 1 banana for creaminess and extra vitamins. We're going to add in some dairy-free yogurt. I like coconut yogurt. It is my favorite. Now we're going to add coconut water. Notice I'm not using dairy in my recipes. Now we're going to add lemon for acidity and for vitamin C and hydration. Of course, we want to avoid the seeds. Now add some chia seeds. Now those seeds are delicious and so good for us. Now we're going to add in vanilla protein powder. My favorite brand is True Vani. Give it all a good blend. Blueberries are a superfood. If you are going to eat fruit, I recommend putting blueberries at the top of your list. They are loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants fight things off in our body like cancer and sickness and disease and chronic conditions. So a handful of blueberries is a very good habit to get into. This smoothie is so quick and simple and delicious. Feel free to top it with extra blueberries if you want. I sure do. And be sure to like and follow me for more healthy eating and cooking tips, recipes, and inspiration. I have one question before I go. What is on your fork?